Hello, welcome you all to this tutorial video. Dear partners, through this video you can learn how you have to submit application through Aalokbortika management portal. Here you need to come to this portal through this link agent.aalokbortika-bd.com, and after getting here you need to log in to your partner account. Hopefully, you have already registered yourself as a partner of Aalokbortika Education. If you don't register yourself yet as a partner, you can see the procedure in the partner registration video and register yourself as a new partner. So you need to log in through your email which you have used during registration and password, and then logged in. After logging in, you will have in your dashboard where you have to add your students for whom you want to apply. So first you have to add your new students from here, or also you can go to my students, and there you will have the option of adding new students. While you have added the new students, you will see the students in this list. So here I am going to add new students. So while you have clicked, you will get this form. First, you have to fill up the student's name. For example, I am typing here ABCXYZ, and then you have to type here the email address of your students. Here I am just typing address, and the phone number is not mandatory. You can type the date of birth. It's not mandatory yet, but you have to fill up it while you submit the application. You can select the gender. Here I have select male, and then you have to set a password for the student account. Here I am setting a password. You have to re-enter the password, and after that you have to create the student account. So it's creating, and now it's successfully created. So after creating the students, now you can apply for these students. So you have to go to available offers. So I have clicked to the available offers. Look here, the available offers is showing currently 291 programs are available to apply. So you can easily filter the desired program you want to apply. So here is the country, available country. So I have chosen China. Then you can choose the university. If you don't know the university, then no need to choose anyone here. You can choose the degree. If you want to apply for bachelor program, select bachelor. You want to apply for September intake, then select it. And if you don't know the location or languages or scholarship, you can just type here. Like if you want to apply for a business major, then you can type here business and then click filter. So here the available business majors are here. So I can go with the first one to show you. Here select student. So you have to select your student. So I click here, and as there is many students in this list, I have already added. So I can search the new student I have added, ABCXYZ. So I selected the students, and I am clicking start application. Okay. So this application form is now in front of me, and here in the first page of application you have to again select the program level, bachelor. The major is already here, and then you have to fill up the required information one by one. You have to fill up the surname and given name as per the passport. You have to fill up the date of birth. So here I am filling XYZ, given name as I have given ABC, and then you have to fill up the date of birth, nationality, and the required documents. And after then you just click next. In the next page, here is the contact information, address, city, email address, and in the next page you will find financial sponsor information you have to fill up. And up next you will find the program you are going to apply, the educational information. So the bachelor degree information, and you have to fill up the last academic degrees. Like if your student want to apply bachelor degree, you have to fill up higher secondary information, and after add another one, and then select his secondary school information, and then go next. And here you have to upload the documents. So if you have all the documents ready, then you can upload it at once. If you don't have all the documents ready, then you can upload the documents you have, and then you can save the documents. Okay, so here I have uploaded some documents, and after that you can review. And in this review section you need to select whether you are choosing the exclusive service policy or premium service policy. So you can see the video about the exclusive service policy details in our YouTube, and also I am adding the link of that videos in the comment section. So you will come to know about the exclusive service policy, and also you will come to know about the premium service policy. So the service policy you need want to choose, you can choose from here, and then you can save it as draft. As you doesn't uploaded all the necessary documents, so you need to save it as a draft. Otherwise, the application won't be submitted. Okay, if you completed all the documents, then you can submit application. So my suggestion will be you need to save the application first, then you can proceed for submitting the application. Otherwise, your data might be lost if there is some difficulties with servers or network. So hopefully you have understand all the procedure of submitting a application through the Aalokbortika management portal. Hopefully in next video I'll show you another topic. And after the application you have created, you can see the application from my application section, and you getting there. Look here, just I have created this application. So thank you for this time.